Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Unity 3D. In this lecture, let us understand in detail about sound audio connecting in Unity. Before going to directly start with connecting the audio clip or a music clip in Unity, let us understand why this sound is required and how it plays an important role. We all know in different forms of media like television or music, plays a powerful thing. Similarly, if you want to enhance your virtual reality environment experience, sound also can be used and which also plays a major role in VR also. Why this sound is useful? Let us take one small example. Here you can see a small image which is a bucket. It's a metal bucket. Now whenever we hit the bucket, depending upon the sound of that bucket, we can understand, we can get an illusion or an impression like whether it is a filled bucket or an empty bucket. Here I have two audio clips. Let us see first audio clip. This is a clip which shows like the bucket is filled. Let's play the second audio clip. This is the thing which shows the bucket is empty. That means a same image, if you see a same image on the screen, the sound can, isn't it or not? It can fool you. Why? Because the image is same depending upon the audio clip or a sound clip that you have connected, it will be imagined by the player what is that bucket is. If you have seen, if I play the player, all the virtual environment experienced by one person will feel like that bucket is filled bucket. If I play this, if he is hitting this bucket, he will feel the bucket is empty. So image may be the same, but because of the sound effect, you are getting experience. So we can say sound can fool us. One important point we always remember why sound is important is because it can really make like if you take a bad sound, it can really make a good image look terrible. It can be either ways also. If you have really nice sound which can enhance a really bad looking image good also. So in that way a sound plays a major role. Same applicable in Unity also. Now, whenever you are working with the options in Unity, always it is suggested to select short videos, and Unity supports compressed and uncompressed videos also. But if you want to have a better performance, if you want to take the Unity to take less processing time, then it is suggested to go with uncompressed videos. So these are all the formats that are supported by Unity, MP3 and OGG, which are compressed formats, and AIFF and WAV formats, which are uncompressed. Either which whatever you have, you can go with it. But of all these four formats, the quality of the sound will not be good if you go with MP3. Now let's see first option, how to add a background music to a scene in the Unity. Let's see it in Unity. Open your Unity editor. This was the last scene that we have created in our previous lecture where we tried to design one user interface. You all might have followed this video and you have created one video, one scene like this where this is a text, this is a button, these two are buttons. All right. Now to this scene, whenever I play, this will play as it is, like you can perform a click operation on this button. Okay. Now I want to have a background music to my user interface, this scene. How to achieve that one? To achieve that one, the first thing is you need to have an audio clip available in your computer system. Now, where can we get the audio clips? I will tell you one option where you can freely download the audio clips. So, this is my suggestion. You can refer to Pix, pixabay.com where you can get sound effects which can be freely downloaded. So these are all the sound effects which we can use, and keeping you in your mind like a short videos is always welcoming. So you can download the videos from here. So to add this one, I'll just find out, you can filter by searching option. I will be just selecting introduction. Now if I click introduction, I will be selecting. Okay, so these are all the audio clips that I've got it. You can just play. Okay, let us download this video. Now, whenever you are downloading any video or audio from a public domain, make sure like you are giving a reference to that video. How to do that one? See, I'm downloading this one. You can see here you are getting this message, the sound effect by a person from Pixabay. Just give a reference to that person. Okay, now that is a good practice of using any public domain elements like audio clip or a video clip or images also. Okay, now the audio clip has been downloaded. This is the audio clip. Okay, okay. Now this audio clip will go here. We need to have this audio clip connected here. So go to assets to have your documents in an organized way. In the materials, I will just drag and drop that audio clip. It will take some couple of seconds to be uploaded here. So did you see here? This is the audio clip, introduction audio clip. Okay. Now I want this audio clip to be connected to my scene. For that, what I can do, you can go to the game object, select audio source. Right? Now, once you select that audio source, this has been added to your hierarchy window. Now, if you select this audio source, this is the properties of that one. Now, you see here, there is no audio clip connected to this one. So, what we need to do, this audio, whatever we have downloaded, you can just drag and drop here. Now, this audio clip has been added. Now, if you come down, you can see an option of play on awake. What is the use of this one is the moment you start playing this scene, the video or the audio will start playing in the background. That is what we want to achieve. Okay, let's play and see. Started playing that the audio is playing, but it has been played only once. But if you want the audio to play continuously, then you need to select this loop. Then, even though the sound is that audio clip is for one, like 2 3 seconds also, it will be in a loop continuously playing in the background. Let's play that and see. Did you see? It is playing continuously. You can also apply some more filters to your audio clip, audio source, whatever you have added. That can be done by clicking Add Component. You have more many filters available like chorus, distortion, echo, high pass, reverb, where you will have a resound effect like that. Let us go with echo. I will just show you an example, one thing example. Others you can just try and see. Without echo, let's I will play once and I will apply echo and you can observe that. Got it? Okay, now I will apply echo filter. Okay, now let us try to play. Hope you have observed the difference between with and without applying the echo filter. Like this, any audio clip can be downloaded, but make sure like you give reference to the person from like who has uploaded this audio clip there, and then that can be used in your game development or developing your virtual environment. I hope you all are clear with the concept of adding background music to a scene in a Unity 3D. If you still face any issues, let me know in the chat box. I'll be very happy to help you. With this, we come to an end of today's lecture. Let us all meet in the next lecture. Until then, thank you all of you.